Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Ranger diesel filter. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement. Maintaining a clean fuel filter is vital for your engine's longevity and performance, preventing costly issues down the road. We'll cover everything from preparation to the final checks, making this a straightforward task for any DIY enthusiast. Let's get started with what you'll need. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always work on a cool engine and ensure your Ford Ranger is securely parked on a flat surface. You'll need a new diesel fuel filter, a filter wrench, a drain pan, and some clean rags. Don't forget your personal protective equipment, like gloves and safety glasses, to prevent any skin or eye irritation from the diesel fuel. Having everything organized beforehand saves time and ensures a safer process. Now let's get to the core of the task. First, locate your fuel filter housing, usually found on the passenger side chassis rail. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your filter wrench, carefully loosen and remove the old filter, allowing any remaining fuel to drain. Before installing the new filter, lightly lubricate its O-ring with clean diesel fuel. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. With the new filter in place, it's crucial to prime the fuel system. Turn your ignition key to the on position for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times to allow the fuel pump to fill the new filter with diesel. Once primed, start your engine and carefully inspect the new filter for any signs of leaks. Finally, remember to dispose of the old filter and any drained fuel in an environmentally responsible manner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.